Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I just want to take a quick look at the Secrui, I think that's pronounced, wireless doorbell. It has a colourful LED indicator, it has a 1,000 feet wireless range and 32 chimes, and apparently it has door open alert. I don't know what that is. I didn't realise it had that until now actually. So I'm just going to open it up. So in the box we have the transmitter. This is what goes on your door frame, and you can do that either by using screws and raw plugs if you want to put it into your wall, or we have double-sided sticky tabs that allow you to just stick it to your door frame. Then we have the receiver, which as you can see plugs into your wall, and we have two buttons. That's for the volume, and that's to go through the 32 chimes that's on here, so you can choose which chime you want. The transmitter has a little tab in there that you'll need to pull out to make sure the batteries are connected. This stops the batteries being connected while it's on the shelf in the store. This was from Amazon, and I'll link in the description below so you can take a look at it. You can cycle through volumes. There are 5 volumes. If I just keep pressing it, it's automatically on the highest volume when you first turn it on. So if you want to lower the sound, just press this 5 times, or 2, 3, whatever you want to set the volume at. And obviously this is for your chimes. There are 32 chimes. Now, I'm not going to stick this to the door frame outside just yet because, well, you won't be able to see what I'm doing exactly because it's dark outside. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this into the wall, and I'm going to go through how it works. Hopefully you can see okay there, so we're just going to plug it in. The buttons will be on the left side. So as I say, it's at full volume when you first turn it on. I have the door chime. Transmitter, should I say, here. I think that's the default tone, so we press the button. So you can basically put this wherever you want in your house, and you'll be able to hear, you know, when somebody's at the door. And the instructions indicate that you can fast cycle through these, but I'm not going to that now, just wanted to show you it working. So as you can see, it actually remembered which one I chose, which is pretty good actually. So yeah, there'll be links in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.